Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, sign into an administrator account and save your files. Open Device Manager with Win+X and select Device Manager. Once open, expand Network Adapters. Make sure to enable View Show Hidden Devices so the Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter appears. If you don't see it, toggle the arrow on Network Adapters to refresh the list. Once done, identify entries labeled Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct or Virtual Adapter, so you can act on the correct device in the next step. You will remove the faulty driver now. Right-click the Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter and choose Uninstall Device. If Windows reports driver problems, check Delete Driver Software for this device, otherwise leave it unchecked. After uninstalling, click Action Scan for hardware changes to prompt Windows to reinstall the adapter automatically. If Windows does not reinstall, install the latest wireless driver from your PC or NIC maker. Make sure to reboot after installation, so driver services start cleanly before you finish with verification and a single strong troubleshooting tip. Restart your PC, then enable Mobile Hotspot or the Wi-Fi Direct service in Settings Network and Internet to confirm the adapter functions. If the adapter is still missing or errors persist, run Settings Troubleshoot Additional Troubleshooters Network Adapter to auto-fix common issues. Make sure Windows Update and your wireless driver are fully updated. If problems continue, temporarily disable third-party security software and retry. That often reveals driver installation conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.